Stay tuned for tips and techniques from the nation's top chefs in the chef's kitchen.
Welcome back to the show, Chef Evan Deluty of Stella in Boston.
Doing a little swordfish.
Beautiful.
Balsamic vinegar. And we want to reduce this by like 50%. This is like a 2-part sauce.
All right.
So we will put the butter in here. And what we're looking for is a golden kind of brown color here.
Yep.
And when it turns that nice brown, golden brown, is when we want to set it off to the side. So now we're going to take the balsamic vinegar, pour a little bit in.
So that really sizzles up.
Now we have some beautiful swordfish here. You tilt the oil to the front of the pan. And that's a good sound.
Beautifully done.
We can grab the sauce and baste. We're gonna flip the fish now. Again,
Okay.
what are we doing?
Away from the body.
Right. We have the Fregula. It's fully cooked, but we want to reheat it. So we have the cauliflower going here. We'll add a little bit of the Fregula. Just right in the center of the plate, I like it. Take the edge off of it and right to the plate. Beautiful.
I love it. You cooked it perfectly. It's just a beautifully composed dish.
To see today's recipe, log on to chefskitchen.tv.